Keeping your lawn looking neat and tidy can take a lot of time and effort, especially during those hot summer days. That's where the Roborock RockNeo Q1 steps in, offering a smarter and much easier way to handle yard work. One of the first things that makes this robotic lawnmower stand out is its AI-powered smart mapping system. There's no need to install boundary wires or deal with complicated setup procedures. The RockNeo Q1 automatically maps your garden's layout with impressive accuracy, so you can get started with minimal effort right from day one. It also takes the stress out of navigation. Thanks to its intelligent obstacle avoidance system, the mower can smoothly maneuver around toys, garden furniture, pets, and other unexpected objects left in the yard. Its Centisphere AI environmental perception technology helps it stay on course even in shaded areas where traditional robotic systems can struggle. When it comes to mowing performance, the RockNeo Q1 is built to handle real-world conditions. Its floating blade system works alongside rugged wheels to tackle uneven ground with ease, reducing the chances of getting stuck in dips or rough patches. The 22-centimeter cutting width allows it to cover more ground efficiently, while its impressive 3-centimeter edge cutting capability means it can trim much closer to borders and pathways. That translates to less time spent cleaning up edges with a separate trimmer. For homes with more complex yard layouts, this mower is designed to adapt. Its slim profile allows it to pass through narrow spaces as tight as 0.7 meters, and the multi-zone management system enables it to move between different sections of your property automatically. Whether you have separate front and backyard areas or multiple lawn sections connected by pathways, the RockNeo Q1 can manage them seamlessly. It can even mow up to 1,000 square meters in a single day. The Roborock RockNeo Q1 is all about giving you back your free time. Instead of spending your weekends pushing a mower around the yard, you can relax while smart technology takes care of the hard work. Would you trust a robot to handle your lawn care? Let us know in the comments.